Okay, this is the three friends trick shot video. I'll go up there. That grass pad's full, let's press one down. Get the ball pins. Here we go.
Go, go, go!
This is the cornhole shot. Let's go. This is the third trick shot. It's kind of like the last one, except I'm trying to make it in the cornhole hole and then make it in the blue bucket after the same time. So here we go. There's number one. Okay, so for the fourth trick shot, I'm going to go up there, roll his face ball, and down into his blue bucket. And it's a lot harder than our last video because it's a smaller bucket and a smaller ball. And so I did a little experimenting before this, and I noticed that if it's at a certain amount of speed, it'll flip the barrel. So we still made it in if it flips it or not. Okay, here we go.